Hi guys, welcome to our next video tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to spy on your competitors' Facebook ads or how to spy on anybody's Facebook ads. And this is a really cool tool that Facebook started offering. So once you log into your Facebook, just type in the name of any brand that you want to spy on. So let's say we want to look at Chanel. So you type in Chanel and then you will go to Chanel's Facebook page. So you click here. And as you see, this is their Chanel's Facebook page. I'm going to close this. On the bottom left, it says info and ads. So click here. And now Facebook will show you all the ads that are currently active from Chanel. So it says active ads from Chanel. As you can see, Facebook is showing you ads. This page is currently running to provide more transparency into advertising. So as you scroll down and you can see these are the ads that are currently active. So this ad is about probably about a watch. So as you scroll down, you can see all the ads that are currently being run on Facebook by Chanel. And the best thing is, so now you can take inspiration and see which ads are working, because Chanel is not going to run an ad that's actually not performing well for you. So as you can see, they're running video ads, they're running different images here. There's another video ones. And the second thing you can benefit from it is every ad, it gives you a button that you click on, just learn more. This also says learn more. So you can click on this button and see which landing page this ad takes you. So then you'll get a better understanding of what is their marketing funnel, that how Chanel is funneling people, users from Facebook to their website. So somebody clicks on this ad and then they land on this particular page, and this is literally the product page where they're trying to get people into. And this is a great way for you to look into any ads and whatever their marketing funnel is. So you click on the other one and it brings you to this page, and as you can see, this is a generic page that actually has multiple watches. The previous one you saw, that was actually just for one particular watch, and this is a great way. Another good thing that they have is that they show you which ads are being run in which countries. So right now, as you can see, these are the ads that are only being run in United States. So if you want to see if Chanel is running ads in different countries, so these are the list of the countries where Chanel is running Facebook ads. So as you scroll up, and let's say you want to spy on Facebook ads for Chanel in Brazil. So you click on Brazil and it will update this page, and now it shows you all the ads Chanel is running targeting audience in Brazil. So as you can see, the language is different, right? It's not in English anymore. And the same thing, you can click on the button. They're only running one ad apparently for Brazilian audience. And this is a great way to do it. You can check like multiple countries. Let's say you click on Australia, and now it will tell you all the Facebook ads that are being targeted for Australian audience. And you can do it for any brand you want. So let's say if you want to check for Macys, you click on Macys, go to Macys Facebook page, info and ads right here. I'm going to close this pop-up. There you go. Here you go. Now it says all these ads running in the United States, and these are the ads that Macys is running. And you can click on this learn more, and it'll take you to the landing page where Macys is trying to get this audience into. And then you can see what type of landing pages they're using and what kind of ads they're running. And if you want to look at different countries they're doing into, so Macys is running ads in Canada, Mexico, and Puerto Rico. So you can click on Mexico and see if they have any ads that are currently active in Mexico. Right? So now they have this ad that is being targeted to Mexican audience in Mexico. So you can spy on, so it doesn't matter, it has to be fashion audience, could be anything. So, you know, there's a vitamin company called Care Of. You can click on that and you go to their homepage. And now, as you can see, when you click back on info and ads, and this is a great way to spy on competitors' Facebook ads. So now Care Of, these are the ads that are active from Care Of. They have a video ad, they have a shop now button, they have two video ads that are actually running. This gives you a 25% off coupon. You know, this is another one that gives you like a free quiz. So they're running like multiple ads targeting the audience. So this one looks more of a person. So you can look for any of your competitors that you currently have, type in their Facebook page, click on info and ads, and you'll be able to spy on your competitors' Facebook ads and take inspiration from it, look at the marketing funnel, and then do something better than what they're doing. So hi, this is Vishal Kalia from Fashion Marketing, and thank you for watching this video. And if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, please do leave them in the form of a comment, and I'll be more than happy to answer. So thank you very much, guys. Good luck.